Alright, what's good?
Alright. What's good, man? Where'd you go?
What do we do?
Jesus, you scared me, man. Alright, so what I know is that we gotta collect shit. You know, bananas, anything you can find. Put them in here.
Wait.
And then we press the buttons. And then this
Wait! Oh, nah! Man, I'm dead.
Yo, my bad, bro.
You microwaved me, bro.
my bad, gang.
Hey, bro, you see this shit?
Yes. Yeah. God, my bad.
How many nuts do you have? I have 195.
I have 29. That's not right. Can I buy this? I cannot even. I can't even buy this.
We did play this the first time, but apparently there's a new update.
Yeah. We got hands.
What is this?
Jesus. You bought the backpack?
Where is it?
It's on your back.
Oh.
Alright, let's go over here.
Hi ho. Hi ho. Ooh. I'm about to slap the fuck out of him. He's running away. He's running away. He's running away. Come here, boy. Come here. Hey, I just want to talk to you. What the fuck is going on over there?
I don't want to be talked. Talked? I don't want to be touched.
Touched? I said talk.
No, I don't want to be touched. There's a bird.
What the fuck is that? Let me get this.
There's a
I'm gonna
bird.
put the bird in the bag. Bro, we got those in Mexico. That ain't nothing, gang. That's just chicken. How you doing, little guy? That's not a little guy. That's not a little guy at all.
Oh, God.
Oh my gosh. I got a banana.
May or may not have died.
Oh shit. I'm gonna come back. Yoink.
Wait, let me get one. Let me get
About
one.
to chuck these. Oh shit, I'm
Let
floating.
me get one of them. Let me get one of them so I can get nuts. Pause.
What else do I do?
When it opens, it'll show you.
Wow.
Oh, it's for both of us. So, I know you can steal that egg.
Yeah, I'm gonna fucking steal it and turn it into the nicest scrambled fucking eggs you've ever seen in your life.
Are you looking at my ass?
Maybe. I'll think about it.
I know I am.
Huh? Yeah! Let's
So,
talk.
one of us has to distract it. Oh, shit. Damn, bro. Alright, I'm gonna get this.
Get the bird on you. Actually, let me get a banana too.
Yeah.
Hi, puppy. I'm just gonna grab this plunger if you don't mind. Grab the fucking crap. I'm dead.
The strat. One of us gets the chicken on it and then climb up a tree.
Yes, I'll do it.
And then one of us. Okay.
Yo, what's goody, bro? What's goody, bro? Ah! The chicken got me here and go grab it.
God, dude.
That is not a nice chicken. Cool. Did you get the egg?
Alright. No, obviously not. I'll get it on me, and then you get the egg.
Alright. I got it! I'm bagging it.
Run that way! Or get the other stuff. Yeah, get the other stuff.
What if it tries to bite me?
Run.
Yeah! I think I dropped my backpack. No, you big fucking.
Oh, it's on you.
It loves me. I got bad news. I lost the egg. Wait, I found it.
You found it?
Yeah.
Put the egg on the backpack. Are you stealing my backpack?
Yeah, I got it. I'm coming back.
Give me back my backpack.
I'm gonna turn it into scrambled eggs.
Stop. Give me that backpack.
Nah, you stole my backpack and you threw.
I didn't mean to.
This shit mine now, bitch.
Please.
This shit mine, motherfucker. You'll never catch. Let's talk about this. We could turn this into some nice scrambled eggs. Look, we even have a nice Coke to go with it. Oh my god,
Oh, I did
why'd
get
you
the
have
egg.
so much? You got a whole meal here, bro. We could feed the whole family. You really gonna do this? No, my scrambled eggs! How much did we make? Not bad.
364.
You stupid.
They're not.
What's 9 plus 10?
21.
You stupid.
More ways to earn company points coming soon.
Wait.
Where
No.
should we go next?
I saw some red and green light.
I bet.
I think it's this way. Yeah, it is. What is that noise? What the fuck is that?
I think this is red light, green light. I don't know where to
Boing.
go. I don't know where to go here.
Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe.
It's stuck.
Ah, loser. Where are you?
I made it past the red light, green.
Alright, I'm coming. I'm scared. Hello? Where are you?
Oh, I see a random guy.
What the fuck?
Ah, shit!
Well, that doesn't sound too good. You good?
My dude, that was the scariest thing of my life.
Is that you? Is that you?
No, if you see a monkey in like the cave, that's not me.
What do you mean that's not you?
That is not me, gang.
Should I go up to it?
Fuck no, that shit almost killed me.
It's like a teleporter or something.
It will kill you.
Where are you? Let's group up. I'm low-key thinking about going up to it. Should I?
No, absolutely not.
What does it do?
Kill you?
That's it?
Yes. It will like, just like, rah!
Great demonstration. Where are you? Ooh, I found a really big room. With lava. I don't know how I feel about it.
Talking about.
I have a lot of stuff. Should I just come back?
Yes, you should.
Wait, but I see something.
What do you see?
The jackpot. Oh yeah. We're balling. Why am I moving so slow? Is there a certain weight you can carry? Hello?
What do you mean?
I'm like slowed down.
Then it might be. Is it on your back?
Yeah.
Then it might be that.
I have a lot of stuff and the thing's gone. I could hear it. I see it!
I hear you.
Help, help, help. I have way too many things to be losing right now. Fuck. I hear you.
Where are you?
I'm by the teleporter. Where you died. I could hear it walking.
Okay, so that place where you're at, I was there. I nearly died and I pressed the green button. Press it.
Press what green button? I'm in like a room next to it. It's like a lava zone.
Four green buttons.
I have to click them all?
Press one of them. Hold on.
Fuck, he's right there. Alright, fuck it.
I'm trying to get over there.
I'm out of here, gang. Oh,
Dang it.
I'm home.
I'm coming.
Cool. I made it out alive. That shit was terrifying. Jose!
Hi.
I got a lot of stuff.
Jesus! We need to press that. Well, not that same one, but... No.
That's a lot of money. We hit the jackpot! One more thing. A flare
You need ammo for
gun.
that?
Huh?
You need ammo for that?
Do I?
Yes.
No, I don't. Ooh,
Well, I guess you don't.
that shit blew up. Guess this is where we're gonna end it off. Should we make a part
Okay.
2?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, cool.